Doing remote work has always been something hard. Even though there are lots of different software solutions to keep files and everything in sync, they don't feel like a true native app that does all the jobs in one place seamlessly with no lags while staying fast and smooth no matter what operating system or even phone you're using. That's where Awesun comes into the game. It's a fast, secure, and high-performance remote desktop application. It's not only the features of Awesun that made me use it. Let's see what it offers. All remote access needs, no matter if you're doing remote work, online support, or gaming. We all know remote gaming needs a good connection. But that's not all. Remote service providers like Desk or AnyDesk don't even suggest using their software for gaming, because as you can see, it's not recommended due to lag. But Awesun features 144Hz high-FPS gaming with low latency controller support, which I'm sure you're going to love. Then there's designing, with great color accuracy and 4K quality support, along with remote stylus and tablet compatibility. Then there's mobile access and file transfer, which really set this product apart from other remote desktop solutions. Let's see the app in action. So now I've installed Awesun on all my devices, PC, laptop, and phone, and logged into my account. So when you open application, the first thing you'll notice is Remote Assist. What this actually does is provide simple device connection using a code, but not only for desktop access, you can also use it for remote file transfers. Since I'll be only using my own devices in the application and not connecting to others, for example for online support, I'll have my devices listed over here because I'm logged into the same account on all of them. As you can see, we have both my Windows PC and my MacBook. Once you click on a remote device, you'll have all these options: desktop, remote file, camera, SSH, port mapping, and second monitor. The desktop option is simply a mirror of the remote device. Also, you can control it. Before you connect, you'll need either mobile authorization or password verification for security. So let me tell you how it actually works. Under the remote device that you want to connect to, head over to Settings, Security, and you'll see Security Verification tab. The second option is the access password. You can set up an access password, add a hint for it, and save it. Now, every time a user wants to establish a remote connection to your device, they'll need to enter that password. If you want an easier process, there's another option called password-free remote access. It asks you to enable it on your mobile device. What you're going to do is to scan a QR code, and once you scan it, your phone will be ready to approve connections. Now let's see other features. The next one is remote file. The second I click on it, I got access to the files and folders on both my devices. Now, with just a click, I can transfer files super fast. And of course, it's really based on your internet connection. As you can see, the transfer speed is over 8 megabytes per second for me. So of course, this depends on your connection and internet speed. The same process also works for transferring files from the remote device to your local one. The next feature is camera. Once you connect, it will access the remote camera and show you what's happening on the remote device. There are also options for rotating screen, mirroring, recording the camera, taking screenshots, changing the quality, and enabling or disabling sound. You can also establish SSH connections or terminal connections on Windows, allowing you to easily access your terminal using the software. Then there's port forwarding. I'm sure some of you already know about how it works and why we use it. Basically, it allows you to access a remote device's port from your local machine, making it useful for testing and development. Lastly, we have the second monitor feature, which I absolutely love. If you have a laptop or even an old laptop that you want to use as a second monitor, this feature supports it. Just click on it and boom, the second monitor is connected. When it's connected, you can head over to Settings, System, and Display, where you can choose where you want your second monitor to be positioned. Completely like a real monitor connected to your graphics card. And that's not all. there are some additional settings available for the remote device, such as changing the screen ratio, display format, and performance mode. And lastly, switch screen. Basically, you can switch to any screen you want and use your laptop as that monitor in full screen. And the third tab of application is Screencast. It's very simple. You open the application, enter the code, and cast your screen to another device. I'll be testing with my phone. So on my phone, I'll scan this QR code and you can see that it's connected. Everything I do on my phone is visible over here. I think it's a great feature for recording your phone on a PC, but note that you won't be able to control your device through the Screencast feature. I think that's because the phone doesn't allow that level of control. And that's not all. You can do with the mobile version of Awesun. It has all the desktop features such as control, view, camera, files, terminal, and also power. So basically you can turn on or turn off the PC with your phone. The mobile application is actually very advanced and well optimized for remote work. For example, if you open the mouse controls, you don't have to tap precisely on every button. Instead, you get a virtual mouse that you can move around on your screen, making it much easier to control your desktop from your small phone. You can also have left and right click buttons. But that's not all. If you tap on the two arrows over here, you'll find even more options, including switching screens, recording, taking screenshots, enabling or disabling sound, and many other useful features. Now let's test gaming experience by connecting my MacBook to my Windows PC. Once connected, it asks me to choose a display mode, single screen or split screen. Basically, split screen gives you access to all the monitors connected to your remote PC during separate tabs inside the Awesun application. I'll go with split screen mode. Now let's test it with a game. As you can see, I've got a smooth connection between my devices and everything is working perfectly. So that was everything about Awesun Desktop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful. See you in the next video.